Welcome to my very first update for my deck of panning project. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I am super excited about this deck of panning project. I was a little apprehensive when I got into it because I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't really know what I'm doing as far as how this all should go, but jump in where you are. That's what I said in the first video. We're just going to jump in where we are and we're going to figure it out as we go. What's happening up here? Something weird. Anyway, I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. Let's go over the products that I pulled in my first video, which was kind of sort of my introduction video, which was late in the year. But again, we're jumping in where we are. Jumping in where we are. I know I'm going to keep saying that. So, let me tell you, because I got, I'm all fancy over here with my spreadsheets and stuff. The first product that I had is this eyeliner. This is Monty Waterproof Pencil Gel Eyeliner. And this was for the prompt brand you only have one of. And this is the only thing that I have from this brand. And I had a usage goal of 10, and I have used this 8 times. I, oddly enough, don't reach for an eyeliner as much as I thought. So that's another great thing about these project pan things, because then you are like, I thought that I used things a lot more than I did. So this is going to stay in because I have 2 more uses before that one can roll out. The next project that I have is this Ofra Madison Miller palette. This was for random uses. 1 was picked, and I had a usage goal of 10. And the product that I was going to use is the blush, and I have used this 11 times. So this is going to be rolling out. I'm super stoked that I got stuff rolling out. The next product that I have is the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette, and this was for Spotlight a Panner, and my panner spotlight was Andy from Andy Does Stuff, because this is her favorite palette. And I am proud to say that I have used this palette a total of 14 times. I had a usage goal of 10, and I have used it 14 times. I have made quite a dent in that shade right there. You can see the little divot in there. So I'm super excited about that. So this will be rolling out. The next product is this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. And this was for the prompt liquid. And I set a 20 usage goal for this, and I seriously thought that I was going to get those 20 uses in. I did not, but I did get in 12. So this is going to stay in. And the last product is this face palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a bronzer and a highlighter, and this was for the prompt for this was represents another product. And the prompt that I chose was Pan That Face palette. And I have made quite a dent in that bronzer. I have used the highlighter as well. I did not set a usage goal for this because I chose Pan That Face palette, and I thought, well, I might just leave that in there and pan it. And so I have used this palette a total of 16 times so far. That bronzer, I have it on now, and I actually do not have any foundation on. I used that bronzer. It is light enough for me to use all over my face, and then I just deepened it up in areas where I wanted a little bit of definition and a little bit more color but it works perfectly as a face powder for me. So I think I may roll this out of this project and roll it into a Pan That Face palette. We'll see. But for today, I'm going to consider that 3 products I'm rolling out, so that means that I need to pull 3 cards. So, for those of you that may not know what deck of panning is, did I tell y'all this was my September update? See, I don't know what I'm doing. This deck of panning project was developed by Emily. She developed it from a book project. You would have to watch her video to get the full scoop of what prompted her, gave her the idea to start these deck of panning projects, and I believe that she's been doing this for several years. I will have her channel listed down below, and I will also link her video where she talks about this product. Her channel name is Emily and Max, and you have to have a deck of cards and you have to have a game board, and I will put a picture of the game board right here. The game board shuffles every month and you get new prompts. I believe the face cards do not change. It's just the numbered cards in the deck that will change the prompts every month. So I'm going to shuffle. For whatever reason, because I mess with oracle cards, for whatever reason, I have to shuffle 3 times. And then I have to cut the cards 3 times. Something about 3s. And then I have to tap it 3 times to get all the good juju in there so I get good cards. So I'm just going to pull, 3 cards, and I'm going to pull them from the top. And then after I pull them, we will look to see what the prompt is, and then I will pull those products. So my first card is the Queen of Spades, the 4 of Hearts, and the 6 of Spades. And so I have the game board pulled up on my monitor over here. So for the black Queen of Spades, the prompt is in it for the long haul. Once I go over the prompts, I will pull the products. For the 4 of Hearts, Dethroned. Let's look to see what dethroned means. Used to be your favorite, but has been replaced. Oh, this is going to be a hard upcoming month, huh? And for the 6 of Spades, Vacation Travel. So let me pull the products and I'll be right back. So for our Queen of Spades, which is in it for the long haul, I am going to choose a lipstick because this will prompt me to actually use my lipsticks. When I'm getting ready for work in the morning and I'm rushing, I always forget my lipstick. Always, always, always. I am working on trying to be a morning person and get up early. I'm struggling with that because I am a night owl. I come alive at night. So I'm going to do this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Dread. It is a matte lipstick and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Perfect for the fall. We're going into the fall. So I doubt very seriously that I can finish this, but I am going to set a 50 use goal on that. For the 4 of Hearts, which is Dethroned, I pulled my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. As you can see, I have hit pan in this, but I have not used this in a long time. This used to be my absolute favorite bronzer. It still smells amazing, but the Bare Minerals bronzer replaced this as my favorite. So I am going to set, since I have already hit pan on this, I'm going to set a 20 use goal on that. And for the 6 of Spades, which is vacation travel, I don't know that I have bought any makeup while I was on vacation, but this palette makes me want to go on vacation, the Mojito palette, and I have never used this. So look at how pretty that is. I had to have it. I saw it online and I had to have it, and I ordered it and I've not used it. So we're going to go on vacation and sit around and drink mojitos. Doesn't that sound amazing? I need a vacation. I know I'm not going to be able to take one for a while, so I'll just take one in my head every time I use this palette. I am going to set a 10 use goal on this palette. So that's my update for September for the deck of panning. I am so proud of myself for using the products that I'm rolling out, and I used them more than I needed to. I didn't do so well on the eyeliner, but that's okay. We'll just leave that in. I'm super excited about the products that are rolling in. Even the fact that this is going to be for a long haul, but I mean, who doesn't want to wear that for a long haul? So thanks so much for hanging out with me while I choose my cards for rolling in my products for this new month of deck of panning. I will have Emily's channel linked down below. I will also have the playlist linked down below, so if you want to go around, if you like to watch panning videos, you can go around and watch the amazing channels that are also doing deck of panning. I'm super excited. I'm looking for more panning projects to get into. Before you go check out Emily and the playlist, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, did we talk about how you needed to get a deck of cards and do deck of lures? We didn't? Okay, we'll get a deck of cards and you can do deck of lures, so you can just choose a different lure every time you go fishing. Okay, that's not makeup related, but whatever. Mama loves you, boo.